How to uninstall Eclipse on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can uninstall Eclipse on Windows 10 or 11. Now the process itself is quite similar on both the Windows. As you can see, I have Windows 11 Pro, but this steps is similar on Windows 10 as well. Now, if you want to uninstall Eclipse or any other apps on your PC on Windows 10 or 11, what you want to do is you want to simply head over to your start menu here, and then you can head over to the search bar at the very top. As you can see here, search bar, and now you want to type in add or remove programs, and you should be able to find this add or remove programs option. So you want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to see every installed apps on your Windows right here. So what you want to do is, in order to uninstall it, you can simply tap and open it on it. Now I don't have Eclipse, but as you can see I have Audacity. I'll just tap on it. So you want to simply tap on the three dots option, click on the three dots option at the right hand side, as you can see there on the right hand side of the Audacity. So you'll find it Eclipse written here. You want to scroll down to the E section and find Eclipse, and then at the right hand side you'll get the three dots option. You want to click on it, left click on mouse, and you should see this uninstall option. You want to simply click on uninstall, and then it'll ask you for confirmation. You want to confirm it, and you want to go ahead and uninstall it. So this way you can uninstall Eclipse or any other apps on Windows 10 and 11. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.